Hey, hot tubbers. Do you know one of the most common phone calls I get at work, almost on at least 2-3 times a week, and that is, my hot tub doesn't work. Nothing will turn on my hot tub. And they think something is broken. And actually what has happened is you've actually turned the hot tub on to what we consider spa lock mode. And very simple to do this on the Hot Springs Highlife. You just hit the settings button here. And then at the very top, it says spa lock. And then what you do is you just hit that button right there, hold it, and now it's on. And so what happens now, absolutely nothing on this hot tub will work. Any button I hit won't turn it on or off. So to turn that off, the only button that will work is the settings button again. Just hold that down. And then once it goes back to the main screen, just hit and hold that on button back. Whoops, that's the temperature lock. Just hold the on button and hold that for about 3 seconds. It switches, and now everything will work on that hot tub again. Now, once I hit these buttons, the jets will turn on and everything will work. So very simple to do, and it's a really cool feature. You can lock it up when you don't want people using your hot tub, but that's how you do that. And I hope that's helpful for you. And just make sure you hit the thumbs up, ring the bell, do all the things that help me help you become a happy hot tub owner. And do not forget to watch the next video right over here. Talk to you soon.